Hey LinkedIn, this is Teddy. I want to share with you a little snafu that's going on, and I hope that you're working on it. I've tested this in Firefox and Chrome. I primarily use Chrome, but I've flushed my Firefox cache and history so that I can start from scratch. So here's what's happening. Go to My Network. As I always do from here, I go to Manage All. It presents just fine. I scroll all the way to the bottom of my list. I find one of the invites that I want to get rid of. Here's one right here. And so I hit reply to, which is my process. And if I don't get a response back from them, I respond back with a follow message. Now when I hit send, it does what I'm used to, except for here's the problem. Now when it comes back, it's already completely loaded a page, and all the images, none of the images are showing. So when I go, and I'm okay with that, except for when I go to the bottom of the list and I go to my next one and I go to message. And when I send the message, it sent the message, doesn't show me that it sent it. I have to scroll down to find the message that I just sent, and it does not kick me back to manage my list as I would expect. And again, the images are not shown. And when I scroll, so this process is really hindered because A, it's not refreshing this page properly, and B, when I go to send my message and hit send, I expect it to send me back to this list, and it does not. I've tested this in Google Chrome, now in Firefox, and it's not working properly. I really need your help, folks.